Hi everyone, the small engine mechanic here. Today we will be replacing the hydraulic spinner motor for this spreader. The old spinner motor seems to lock up when going in one direction. To access the motor we will need to remove this access plate. Using a 7/16 socket, remove the 3 bolts holding the plate on. Now, on the top of the spinner plate is a removable plug. You can use a flathead screwdriver to pop it out. Then using a 7/16 socket, remove the bolt, lock washer, and flat washer. Then push up from the bottom of the spreader plate. And it will pop up. You can tell there is an issue with the external seal plate. So, let's remove the seal plate. Using the 7/16 socket, remove 2 of the 3 bolts holding the plate. The key will need to be removed using a pair of diagonal cutters and a hammer. Now, we can remove the last bolt. The seal will lift right off the shaft. You can tell this has had a lot of leakage. To assist with the removal of the hoses, we will reinstall 2 of the motor bolts. Now, we can remove the 3 hydraulic hoses. Be sure to have a mat to catch any fluid that might come out. To make this part less painful, I'm going to speed up the video some. Now that the hoses have been disconnected, we can remove the 2 motor bolts. And the pump will drop. And there you have it. The seal on the top of the motor is damaged and was leaking fluid and collecting dirt. I tried to spin the shaft and the motor still locked up. Time to install the new motor. First, we need to make sure all surfaces are cleaned off. We will be installing a new seal and hardware with this motor. The new motor has dust caps on the fittings. Leave these on till the hoses are ready to be installed. When installing the motor, make sure the curved part of the seal is facing forward. And start a bolt to hold the motor. Now install the other 2 bolts. And just snug them down. Do not tighten them yet. Now connect the 3 hydraulic hoses. But do not tighten them yet. Now tighten the motor bolts. Now tighten the hoses. Now we will install the new shaft key. And then the spreader plate. You must align the keyway to the key. Then reinstall the flat washer, lock washer and bolt, and tighten them down. Now we can test it out. Operate the motor at a very low speed to remove any air from the system. After 5 minutes, speed up the motor. It's going so fast it looks like it's going backward. Don't forget to replace the removable plug on the plate. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. So, until the next video.
It looks like another one is good to go.